So here's something really cool that we're about to do right now. We're in Sheridan, Wyoming, home of King Ropes, right? And somebody got me this hat. And this weekend, we're actually here for a wedding, but this weekend is the big rodeo in town, and they're having a street dance. And we're in Wyoming. We're here gonna go see the rodeo and go to the wedding and go to the street dance. You guys should come see this. You gotta check this out. This is ultimate.
Only out west.
Only Western culture right here.
People say I got a drinking problem, but I got no problem drinking at all. They keep on talking, drawing conclusions, call it a problem. I could offer you a warm embrace, and I promise you, man, you won't ever be lonely.
There you go, come on.
Right foot now, left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth.
I don't think many people know how to cha-cha.